Steve the Virus. I stopped at Red Apple Fireworks in Valdosta, Georgia. Nice store. Nice store. I got me the Killa 6-inch double XL Ganga Shells. That looks pretty cool. There's the actual shell. Got all the specs listed on the back. Yeah, I can't wait. These are awesome. There's so many to choose from. I picked one that was cool looking, and that's the one I got. Stay tuned. There's the Killa Ganga Shells. Red Apple Fireworks. What we got here? I think they're pretty cool looking. All of them labeled with number. Like that a lot. And the tube itself is a massive base. Look at that base. That base is massive. Heavy. 15-inch tube looks like. That's some cool graphics on it though. Neon green palm with strobe with bright white strobe. Number 24. Good heavy shell. Plastic top. Pretty cool. Can't wait to see them in action. Looks like 4 tubes and 24 shells. $89. Oh, it's actually, I think it was $82. Wasn't bad. 6-inch shells, 24 pack for $80. Nice. Stay tuned. Red Apple Fireworks, Killa Ganga Shells.